everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's experiment is floating egg.
Wow! To understand this experiment, we should understand density first. So what is density? Density is a word we use to describe how much space an object or substance takes up in relation to the amount of matter in that object. Density is the amount of mass per unit of volume. If an object is heavy and compact, its density is higher. In this experiment, the egg is denser than the fresh water. This causes it to sink. When you start dissolving salt in the water, this is increasing the density. Eventually, the water becomes denser than the egg, causing the egg to float.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.